Albert Einstein's motivational speech to children. Asterisk, Einstein walks to the podium in a small school auditorium, filled with the eager faces of young students. He adjusts his glasses, smiles warmly, and begins to speak. Asterisk. Good morning, young scholars. Today, I am supposed to be your speaker, but I confess, I stand before you more as a curious student than a stern teacher. Indeed, every day offers a new lesson, even to an old chap like me. Now, let us embark on a tiny journey back in time. No, not with a fancy time machine, though that would be quite delightful, wouldn't it? Imagine me, young Albert, about your age, with hair not quite as wild but a curiosity definitely is untamed. I was not always the best student in all subjects. Yes, it's true, my report cards were as mixed as a bag of assorted candies. Mathematics, a sweet delight. History, sometimes a sour lemon. You see, I learned early on that it's okay not to excel at everything. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. I might have said something like that, and it still rings true. Each of you is brilliant. Perhaps you simply haven't discovered where your genius lies. Let's talk about failure, a frightful word, right? What if I told you that it's actually a secret ingredient to success? I've experienced numerous failures. Each misstep was simply a new opportunity to learn. When you trip over a rock, you don't stop walking, you learn to watch your step better the next time. Or, as I often did, get distracted by the stars above only to find myself back on the ground. I've always believed, you never fail until you stop trying. Life tossed puzzles at me, some as perplexing as trying to comb my notorious hair in the morning. What truly matters is the courage not to flee from the struggle, but to say, a puzzle. Let's see how I might solve this one. Children, look around you. This room, this building, the entire world is brimming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled by you. Imagine them as locked doors, and you hold the keys. The thrill is not just in opening them, but in finding the right key for each door. I once said, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge tells us about the world as it is, imagination whispers of the world as it could be. The greatest scientists, artists, and thinkers explore the world not just with their eyes but with their imagination. Now, imagine the future, as wild and wonderful as you can. Perhaps cities on the moon, cars that fly, or robots that do your homework. Why not? With imagination, you begin crafting the blueprint of your future, a future where you are not merely bystanders but creators. And in this creation, don't let the word, impossible, deter you. It's just a big word thrown around by small people who find it easier to live in the world they've been given than to explore the power they have to change it. Impossible is temporary. Impossible is nothing. And remember, only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. Think of every great adventure story you've ever heard. Did the heroes have an easy time? No. For without challenges, there would be no triumph. You are the heroes of your own stories, facing the adventure of your lifetimes. I'd like to leave you with a little secret, something to carry in your pockets as you march forth. It's a simple formula I stumbled upon, A equals mc squared. No, I'm jesting, though it's quite useful, I assure you. Here's the real secret. Believe in your ability to make a difference. Whether it's standing up for a friend, planting a tree, solving a math problem, or helping someone understand a joke, every small act creates ripples across the cosmos. As I depart, remember that the universe is not made of atoms, it's made of tiny stories. And today, You started writing a new chapter. Make it daring, make it brilliant, make it yours. Thank you, and keep questioning, for curiosity has its own reason for existing. Asterisk, Einstein steps away from the podium amid a storm of applause, his eyes twinkling with mischief and wisdom, leaving a room full of inspired young minds buzzing with the electric energy of infinite possibilities. Asterisk. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with the channel. God bless you.